Now, this question says find the integral of x cube plus 3x plus 4 upon under root x, right. So, in this question first we have to simplify it, right. How to simplify it? Just divide the denominator on the each term of numerator, right. So, what we can do? We can do I is equal to x cube upon under root x plus 3x upon under root x plus 4 upon under root x dx. X cube upon, in place of under root x we can put x to the power 1 by 2 plus 3x upon x to the power 1 by 2 plus 4 upon x to the power 1 by 2 dx. We get x to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 times of x to the power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus dx, right. We know सेम बेस पे डिवाइड करने पे पावर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है, राइट. सो वी हैव अप्लाइड द रूल ऑफ इंडेक्स हेयर. सो what we get finally, and we can write this is nothing but the 5 by 2. So, x to the power 5 by 2 dx plus 3 times of this can be written as x to the power 1 by 2 dx plus 4 x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus into dx, right. Now, simplify it, integrate this. How to integrate this? So, this will be x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 times of x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 times of x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1, right. We just apply the formula of x integration of x to the power n, right. So, finally, we will get x to the power 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2, right. Here we will get 3 x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 4 x to the power 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Now, this 2 can be moved to the upper side. So, finally, we will get the answer 2 times of x to the power 7 by 2 upon 7 plus 6 times of, in fact, the 3 cancel out. So, 2 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 8 times of x to the power 1 by 2 plus c, right. So, this is the solution of exercise 7.1 of NCERT question number 12. Hopefully, you understand the solution.